dang, okay. Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Killer Koa, English call me Koa, and today we're checking out ATEEZ for the first time. With how big of a group ATEEZ is, it's about time I finally check them out. We're gonna be checking out 3 of their music videos today. They were recommended to me by a friend, and apparently they're supposed to be pretty hype. We got Fireworks, Answer, and then Crazy Form. We're also gonna be checking out the entire The World EP Final Will, I think is what it's called, over on Patreon. It's out right now. Go check it out. But without further ado, let's hop into Fireworks or I'm the One. I don't even know how many members there are. Only ATEEZ sort of content I've seen is a little bit of Kingdom. Okay, I'm already liking the sound. Yeah, they got the auto tune. Ooh. Yep, turn that up. Look at the scene that they're in. Like a desert city. Ooh. Hold up. I don't think I even like fully prepared myself for what I'm getting into. Yeah, no wonder it's the most replayed part of the song. It's already hooked me in, bro. Hold on, here we go. Oh my gosh. They're in serious mode right now. Ooh, okay. That was an insane rap. Oh. Oh, yeah. I don't even know what. When do I talk? This is the time that I can pause. Just from the moment they start talking, it was hype. And then I almost feel like I need to replay the whole thing. Oh my gosh. That choreo with the yeah. And then they drop it even harder. Yeah, this is great. That looks sick. They got very powerful voices. It's crazy because the verses, the instrumental and the speed of song is very chill. And then they got the crazy build up with the rap, and then the chorus, the contrast just makes the chorus sound that much more hype. Ooh, I like his voice. Like, I don't even know how to like describe and put commentary over something that sounds this good. I don't even need to say, yeah, their raps are insane, because like anyone with ears would be able to say that. Like, just listen to it. Yeah, the initial drop's almost like a little slow. The yeah. Yeah. Got fire now. This choreo looks so fun. Just like big, powerful movements. Ooh. The build up. I'm not prepared. Wow, look at those outfits. The MV is going crazy. I think as a first impression, that was pretty dang good. Who's singing right here? Tell me who's rapping. Because in the second build-up, we got to see the hype guy spitting his bars, but I don't know who's doing this. I would almost prefer if the music video was just their choreo, because I feel like the choreo emphasizes the song. Because shots outside of choreo is just kind of like them standing there chilling. I want to see them going crazy. Giving you my invitation. As I me pay attention. I can't even read that fast. Is Bunoria the kind of like their sound for fireworks? Is this the guy that was rapping? What is it with like the most beautiful people having the deepest voices? It's always the guy you would never expect to have the deep voice to have the deep voice. Ooh, do you hear that? There's like a really high note. I couldn't tell if that was being sung by someone or it was just like an instrument. I don't act like I didn't flip and see that. It's totally someone singing that. No, it's this guy right here. Because everyone else is dancing, but I can tell he's singing. Look at this choreo. All right, we're going to be listening to Answer. I've told that it's like, I forget how my friend described it. Like ethereal is what they said. I'm wondering how it will differ from what we just heard. This one's from beginning of 2020. Yeah, already completely different. Dang, that was a deep hum. Again, piano. Okay. Where is this song gonna go? Ooh. Ooh. Let's make a toast like a thunder. Oh, I thought of toast as in bread. Wow, look at the colors. Or was he the one rapping in the last song? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm loving the way they are integrating this rap into a somewhat slower instrumental, starting off with more focusing on vocals. What is that instrument? It's sounding really good with their voices. Oh, we almost added some drum in there. Ooh. Of course, we gotta add the second part. Oh, dang, okay. I love that set right there. Oh, that's on like a giant clock. I'm trying to find words to describe the tone of the song. It sounds very emotional, especially with their strong voices. Another sort of song talking about fire in the desert. Completely changed the visual tone of the video. I guess we're back at the first set. I love that guy's voice. Yeah, you hear this? It's almost like they had bongos. Choreo looks pretty fun. It's I was trying to figure out. Yeah, nice looking eyes. Again, I need to know who's hitting that note. Are you hiding somewhere in this video too? I like those outfits. Oh, it's like a copy of them. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Is there gonna be something extra at the end again? Again with this weird looking mask guy. Some like super villain. What? Who is that? Who is that? So yeah, completely different feel of the song. Not something, you know, it's like, oh my gosh, you know, crazy hype, but giving me a taste and showcasing what this group is capable of. They got great vocals is what this song has taught me. The rappers seem to have the strongest aura. They got the facial expressions, they got the power, they got the swag with their movements. It's just such an uplifting song. It says like, let's all raise our glasses together. Shine your brightest, be shown everywhere. So I don't know if answer is referring to just like, that is the answer, or if there's kind of a deeper meaning to that. And let me know what the music video is depicting as well, especially with this last scene, kind of facing themselves. But hopping into the last song here, we got Crazy Form. Just came out, what, a couple months ago, right? And it's actually blown both those songs out of the water in terms of views. Maybe just because ATEEZ has grown in popularity since then, or maybe the song's just that good. I'm ready to hop in. KQ, yeah, a company I haven't even heard of before this. Look at that. What?
Get up. Get up.
Me?
Get up. Get up.
9,024. Oh, we got a little like a little bounce here. Oh my gosh. They're like going like full on in your face with like this power. It's just like almost like they're just yelling. And of course you can definitely see the quality difference in terms of the production of the music video. Ooh, interesting sound in the back. Alright, they're working on something. Like looks like they're maybe spies. Ooh. That was quite the scene right there. Holy. I got the gun under the table. Okay, so what we opened up with is actually the chorus. Whoa, that looked insane. I like that effect. Ooh. Wow. Yeah, it definitely seems like they've got the most personality and they're having the most fun in this video. When did they debut? 2018? So they were out for a few years, but I feel like in this one they've fully shown themselves. Especially in Fireworks, there was a lot of straight faces. It could just be to fit the tone of the song, but a lot of it was just like straight faces singing. But here, they're having fun. They're going wild. Like, what is this? Great creative choice. Look at him. Ooh, the sound, the burner. It's almost like gives you a, what is it, like an eerie feeling. Ooh, the flow. Passion. I'm more just enjoying watching them having fun. So much going on, lots of cuts. Wow. Ambition in my veins. Oh, is their device all set up? Oh. Okay. What is this drop? What is this leading to? Oh my gosh. What is this end credit scene, bro? If it's that guy. Ooh. I was fully expecting that spiky face guy to show up. So what did they do? They set up those devices to put like a giant hologram ship into the air. Ooh, now the main focus of the instrumental is that burn, but they've kind of just amplified it. We go, what? In terms of music video, definitely the best one. I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of the chorus. It's not bad. I'm never gonna say a song is bad or it sounds bad. But the rest of the song is pretty good, I will say. Yeah, like the verses, they are completely like unique. The flow, the style, like everyone who is singing or everyone who is rapping gets a part of the verse. It is completely unique section to them. And then of course the last chorus gives very similar energy to Fireworks, which I will say Fireworks, top of my list of these three songs. I had the most fun watching this one though. There's the guy in the back. Says, alright. GG's. So closing thoughts. I love it. I'm obviously going to be listening to more of them. Give me more of your guys' recommendations. They debuted almost 7 years ago. They're almost at the 7-year mark. So I'm sure there's lots of music and lots of different styles that I can check out from them. Again, if you guys want to see me react to the rest of the world, effin' will. Go check out the Patreon. We'll be checking out lyric videos to the rest of the songs, of course.